Hello friends, this is Suman Kumar from DataShastra. Welcomes you all for the first lesson of our topic Data Analytics. In this lesson, I am going to give a detailed introduction of data analytics and also going to talk about the subsequent lessons. But before jumping into the topic, let's understand why data analytics or why to learn data analytics. There are three primary reasons that are making data analytics as one of the widely chosen career path. First one is huge job opportunities. Right now, if you go and search in any of the job site, you will see thousands of job openings for data analysts from a startup all the way up to big MNCs. And these jobs are not only restricted to software industry, multiple other industries like banking, healthcare, education, manufacturing also providing tremendous opportunities for data analysts. And second reason is easy to learn. To become a data analyst, prior knowledge of programming is not mandatory. Yes, you heard it correctly. You don't have to know C, C++, Python, or fancy data structures or algorithms to become a data analyst. All it required is basic computer knowledge and passion for analyzing the data. And third reason is career growth. The data analytics skills that you are going to acquire as part of this course are going to lay a strong foundation for advanced courses like big data, data science, and artificial intelligence so that you can prosper further in your career. So what exactly is data analytics? Data analytics is very broad field that includes various technologies and tools. These technologies ranges from analyzing your data in an Excel spreadsheet to crunching your big data using Apache Spark. But don't get scared with these fancy technology names. Just to start your career as a data analyst, you don't have to know each and every bit and piece here. Now, coming to the definition of data analytics, on a high level, it is a technique to analyze your raw data and derive meaningful insights in the format that can be understood by both technical and non technical people. So, with this, it is clear that to become a successful data analyst, besides knowing technology, you should be in a position to explain your data clearly to non technical people. What I am going to learn in this course? In this course, I am going to focus primarily on basic data analytics skills that includes Microsoft Excel, Tableau, and SQL. The reason behind starting this course with Excel is because it is a great tool to learn about your data. It has been around for more than 30 years and it is still valuable. And it is not surprising to say that there won't be any data analyst out there who have not used Excel at least once in his or her lifetime. Coming to Tableau, Tableau is a visual analytics platform that makes your analytics faster, easier, and more intuitive. In subsequent lessons, we'll learn creating visually appealing dashboards using various graphs and charts. Now, SQL or structured query language is a universal language easy to learn that lets you interact with databases. It is one of the essential and highly marketable skill for data analyst. That is the reason you can find multiple jobs only based on SQL skills in the job market. So that's all for today's class. In next lesson, we'll learn about Microsoft Excel and how can we use it for data analytics. I hope you like this video. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. Additionally, you can join the DataShastra's Facebook group where we can have some interesting discussions on data analytics. Link has been given in the description. Please check it out. Thank you.